Hello and welcome back. I'm Joseph Hoffman. Today we are learning a variation on Hannon's famous finger exercise number 1, which we learned in an earlier lesson. I call it the 2-3 finger skip. Let's come to the piano and learn how to play it. You'll remember that with the 1-2 finger skip, we were skipping between fingers 1 and 2. Today, what we're going to do is start on finger 1, once again on middle C, step up to finger 2, and then do the skip between fingers 2 and 3, all the way up to finger 5, and then when we step down, just like before, there's no skip stepping down. Then once again, now we're on finger 1 on D, step up to finger 2, skip up to finger 3, finish stepping up, then stepping all the way down, so now finger 1 lands on E, step up to 2, skip up to 3, then we're going to land on F, F, G, skip up to B with finger 3, step all the way down, 1, 2, skip up to 3, step all the way down to A, step up, skip up, finger 2, finger 1, 2, skip up to 3, and then we land on 1. Good. Now press pause and try that on your own from C all the way up to C, then press play when you're ready to try it with me using the metronome. Okay, this time we're going to use the metronome set to 80 beats per minute. Place finger 1 on C, 1 note per click. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, skip up. 1, 2, skip up. 1, 2, skip up. 1, 2, skip up. 1, 2, skip. 1, 2, skip. 1, 2, skip to 3. And we're done on C. Now, if that was too hard, don't worry. Just press pause, practice more on your own, then try it again with me when you're ready. Now let's check out the left hand. The left hand, just like before, we'll start with finger 1, also on middle C. We're going to step down 1, 2, and then from finger 2 to finger 3, that's where we'll do the skip. And then we step all the way back up. Now finger 1 is on B, step down to A, skip down, step all the way back up. 1, 2, skip down. 1, 2, skip down, and you get the idea, and your thumb, finger 1, is going to travel all the way down to bass C. Once you make it there, from finger 1 on middle C to finger 1 on bass C, then you're done. Press pause to try that on your own, and then press play when you're ready to try it with me using the metronome. All right, once again, we're going to set the metronome to 80 beats per minute. My left hand finger 1 is on middle C. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, skip down. 1, 2, skip down. 1, 2, skip down. 1, 2, skip down. 2, 3, skip. 1, 2, skip to 3. 1, 2, skip. And we're back to C. When you're doing your finger power exercises, make sure that your fingers stay in the correct shape. When it plays, try not to let this joint buckle backwards like that. You want to keep it in this shape, right down to that last joint. Now, let me show you some little tricks you can do to get really great piano fingertips. Okay, this first one I call tap and squeeze. What we're going to do is take your finger 1 and 2 and tap them together and give a little squeeze. And you're working on keeping your finger in this proper curved shape. Let's try it together. Take your finger 1, 2, and we're going to tap 5 times. Tap and squeeze, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now we're going to go on to finger 3 and tap and squeeze. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now we're going to go on to finger 4, tap and squeeze. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. And last of all, finger 5, tap and squeeze. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Now, I'd like you to do that every day 3 times. You're going to go through all of your fingers 5 times, 3 rounds of that. Here's another one. It's called the cave-in challenge. The cave-in challenge is where you're going to test this joint to make sure it doesn't buckle the wrong way. This would be a cave-in. You're going to try to keep it in this shape. Then with your other hand, come in and put a medium pressure, not too hard, and see if you can keep that joint in the right shape. No cave-in. Now try your next finger. My finger 3, good. My finger 4, trying to keep it from caving in, and just put a medium amount of pressure right there with your other hand. Good. Then you go to the other hand. You can try this with me. First, let's try your finger 2. A little bit of pressure. Good. Next finger, a little bit of pressure. Next finger, and then finger 5. That's the cave-in challenge. Remember, the point of practicing finger power is to, well, give your fingers extra power. So someday you can play any song you want. Practice the 2-3 finger skip every day, along with the tap and squeeze and the cave-in challenge. The nice thing about those is you can practice them anytime, even when you don't have a piano, in the car, when you're bored, even under the table at dinner. Your mom will be like, "Honey, what are you doing under the table?" And you'll be like, "I'm practicing the piano, Mom." And she'll be like, "Oh." She might not even believe you, but you'll know, and that's all that matters. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. All right, all you finger puppets, it's time for our morning tap and squeeze workout. Hit it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Come on, work that flab. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, no caving 3, in. 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Let's do this. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2,